In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock and unlock layers. If you've ever moved the wrong object or edited something by accident while working, locking layers is a simple way to protect your design and keep your workflow tidy. Layers act like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, and locking one means everything on that layer is safe from accidental selection or edits. Let's start by opening the Layers panel. If you don't see it on your screen, go to the top menu and choose Window, then select Layers. This reveals the panel where all your layers are listed. Take a moment to identify the layer you want to protect. Maybe it's your background artwork, guidelines, or a finished illustration you don't want to nudge out of place. To lock that layer, look for the empty square just to the right of the eye icon in the Layers panel. The eye controls visibility, but the empty square is the lock column. Click that empty square and you'll see a small padlock icon appear. As soon as you see the padlock, that layer is locked. From now on, you won't be able to select or edit any objects on that layer, even if you drag a selection across the canvas. This is great for preventing mistakes while you focus on other parts of your design. Note that locking doesn't hide the layer. You'll still see everything on it, but it's protected from changes. When you're ready to make changes again, unlocking is just as straightforward. Go back to the Layers panel and click the padlock icon next to that layer. The padlock disappears and the layer is now unlocked. You can select, move, and edit the objects on it just like before. If you try to select something and nothing happens, it's often a sign the layer might still be locked, so this is a good place to check. If you have multiple layers locked and need to clear everything quickly, there's a fast option. Go to the top menu, choose Object, and then select Unlock All. This immediately removes locks in your document, which is helpful when you've protected many elements and want to reset. Just be mindful that everything becomes editable again, so consider relocking key layers afterward if needed. That's it. By opening the Layers panel, clicking the empty square to lock, and using the padlock or the unlock